fasting has been really popular for quite a while now, and when you watch that video you probably already have experience with fasting. But how is it gonna be when you go traveling? Because so far you have been in your normal daily routine, you've been at home, you've been in control, and you have your daily structure. But when you go traveling, all of a sudden everything changes. Every day can be different, you have different access to food or to other things, and that can make things complicated, and we tend to do some mistakes that can actually ruin your journey. So in this video we're gonna make sure that these mistakes won't happen to you and that you can fully enjoy your journey. The first mistake that most people do, and that I did as well, is that they don't listen to their body. Your body will give you all the signals you need in order to be healthy and energetic. But especially when we are traveling, we tend to focus more on the outside world, the things we want to see, or maybe we have a tight schedule, maybe we are a little bit stressed, or all the things that get our attention. And so we don't focus on our inner world and the signals that our body gives to us. Especially when you are fasting and traveling, your daily schedule is different from before, and you might end up using more energy than you usually do. And this is what happened to me. I was traveling, I was sightseeing, I wanted to see all those things, and I didn't listen to my body. And actually my body gave me the signal to eat something and to get more energy in. But I was kind of stubborn, I wanted to keep my fast, I wanted to see all those things, and at the end I was so tired and I felt so unwell that it almost ruined my day. So please listen to your body, and even if you want to fast, if your body gives you the signal to really eat something, if you can't go without, then please eat something, do your body something good, nourish yourself, and keep on fasting the next day. And that also brings me to the second step, and this is that most people make the mistake to not focusing on nourishing their body. I mean, of course, traveling and food goes together, and when we travel to another country, we want to eat all those delicious foods out there. But especially when you're fasting, you have to make sure to nourish your body, to get all the nutrients in that your body needs to keep you energetic and healthy. And I don't mean just focus on the macros, focus on all the micronutrients that your body needs in order to protect you. Because especially when you're in another country, your body might face other challenges that it has to protect you from, and you really want to make sure to nourish your body to maximize its potential to really keep you healthy. Which also brings me to the third mistake most people do, and this is that they don't stay hydrated. And yes, again, I fell into this trap as well, because when I travel I am so immersed in all those things and everything I want to see and all the places that I want to go, and I don't listen to my body, and I don't drink enough, and especially I don't drink enough water. And I remember a couple of years ago we went to Greece. It was like 42 degrees and I absolutely didn't drink enough, and I got a heat stroke. Now that really ruined my holidays, because for the next 2 days or so I had to stay in a hotel and keeping myself out of the sun, and it was absolutely no fun, and this is not the place you want to be when you're traveling. So please make sure you drink enough and you have some water with you all the time, especially when you go hiking. And yeah, please simply stay hydrated. The next mistake, and the one you really want to avoid, is that most people are not prepared for emergencies. And what I mean by that is not your first aid kit, but some snacks or something that brings you energy is just in case you need it. Because the last thing you want is that you are on a hike 4 hours into the trek and all of a sudden you feel unwell, you're tired, you have adrenal fatigue, and you can't enjoy the rest of your trip. So always make sure you have, like, I don't know, a snack bar, an apple, a banana, just something with you that gives you some energy just in case you need it. And then the last mistake that most people do is not thinking about some supplements. Because depending on where you're traveling to, you might don't have all the resources or stuff you need to nourish your body. So you might want to plan in advance and think about supplements that you want to take with you, just to make sure that you have everything you need to really nourish your body, to be healthy, energetic, and to really get the most out of your travel. Because especially now we all are excited to travel again, and we want to make it the best experience we can. So just make sure, plan ahead, be ready, pre-prepared, and make the best out of your trip. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share it with someone who you think would benefit from it. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.